This carrot cake is fluffy, rich, and delightfully moist. Although this recipe has all the classic carrot cake ingredients, I will take it up a notch with one secret addition to give the cake that extra moisture and sweetness. Here is how to make this perfectly moist carrot cake. Mix together 1 cup of brown sugar, ½ cup of granulated sugar, 3 medium-sized eggs. Using a whisk or an electric mixer, give the ingredients a good mix until well combined. For the best result, gradually mix in 1 cup of vegetable oil. Although butter tends to make most recipes better, for carrot cake, always use oil instead of butter. Oil improves the texture and makes the carrot cake moister. Now, mix together all the dry ingredients. You will need 2½ cups all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, ½ teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and ½ teaspoon of baking soda. Give all the ingredients a good mix till well combined. Now, gradually add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Make sure you don't overmix. Once the ingredients are combined, stop. Now, mix 1 cup of raisins with 1 tablespoon of flour so that the raisins wouldn't sink at the bottom of the cake batter. Carefully mix the raisins into the batter. And now it's time to add that secret ingredient for extra moistness. Add 1 cup of crushed pineapple. Carrots and pineapple work together really well to keep the cake moist and wholesome. And now add 3 cups of finely grated carrots, which is about 6 large carrots. Once the carrots are combined into the batter, half the cake batter and bake 2 evenly sized cake discs. Bake each cake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. To make the cream cheese frosting, beat the butter, cream cheese, and vanilla extract until it looks pale and fluffy. Add 2 cups of powdered sugar and mix until smooth, creamy, and spreadable. By now, the carrot cake should be cooled down. Carefully shave off the thin layer from the top to make each disc look smooth and even. Don't throw away the cut pieces, as we are going to use them in a minute. Now, cover the bottom cake disc with a generous amount of cream cheese frosting and spread it evenly. Place the other cake disc on the top and cover the carrot cake with the remaining cream cheese frosting. Also, cover the sides as well as you can. Don't worry, it doesn't need to look perfect, as this cake won't last long. Now, crumble up the leftover cake pieces and use it to cover the side of the cake to give it that rustic homemade carrot cake look. But that's not the only way to make a deliciously moist carrot cake. Check out my list of the 7 best moist carrot cake recipes in the world. I have left the link in the description below the video. Check it out now.